Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add your current city or town on your Facebook Lite profile. So let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on See More About Yourself. Then you can see the option of Add Current Town or City. Tap on it. Then search your town or city. Then select your town or city. Then tap on Save. So this is how you can add your current town or city on your Facebook Lite profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.